Hey guys, my name is Jordan. Today I'm going to be talking about a cool little light. Goes by the name of Boling P1. It's actually back there. Let me go grab it. This little light is pretty cool. It goes on your camera and it's a full RGB LED light. It's got a full power running head time at about 140 minutes of you using your light. This little light has a wide color temperature gamut of 2500 Kelvin all the way up to 8500 Kelvin. Dang. Well, if you didn't notice, it's got a cool built-in TV effect. This light also has lightning effects, which is pretty cool. This light also has full RGB array when you're trying to make it look like a club. Oh, it's freezing. It's freezing. That's not all it does though. Hey, whoa, I didn't do anything. It also has police lights. Are they okay? Oh, that's crazy. They just got... Their arm is broken. What? It's got an ambulance. Whoa, that house is on fire. That's... Dang. I hope they're okay. It also has a fire. There's a lot of cool effects this small little light has for only about $150. And right now, I think Amazon's selling it for $129. So I think some pros to this little light is how small it is. It's very lightweight. You could easily throw this on your camera for concerts, for maybe music videos. And the best part about this is that it's also battery powered. Or it's also it has its own internal battery. You need a police light right where this is, and you want to throw this on a skateboard or have somebody run across with this and make it look like it's, make it look like somebody's out there. A police car is actually out there. It would be very believable. It's got a lot of power that I believe makes this little light worth the money. But I actually really like this light and I could not recommend this enough. Thanks for watching today. My name is Jordan. If you like what you saw, please press like and subscribe. And something good will happen to you, I guess. Peace.